Want to change your Google Play Store country? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then, scroll down and select Settings. You'll see an option called General. Tap on it. Under General, tap Account and Device Preferences. Then, select Country and Profiles. Here, you'll see the option to switch to a different country. Choose your desired country from the list. Google may ask you to add a payment method from the new country. Follow the prompts to add one, like a credit card or PayPal. Don't worry, you won't be charged just for changing the country. Once you've added the payment method, confirm the change. It may take up to 48 hours for the Play Store to update, but you're all set. That's it. You've successfully changed your Google Play Store country. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.